So I'm just spraying some heat protectant on my hair, and I'm about to blow dry it. As you can see, again, I still have my curl pattern. My hair is still healthy. I still have common shedding. And yeah, let's get into it so you can see the after effects. Alright, this is my hair all blown out. It literally took about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, if that. But also because I let my hair air dry, maybe about to 80%. So now let's get the flat iron. I had to move y'all to my other side because I am left-handed. But you didn't know that. And so it's going to be odd for you guys to see it. So here I am just taking a few passes at the root. And chasing it down with my comb. And I want to go underneath with these little baby hairs. Try not to burn myself because I'm okay now. And I did. It is straight, nice and shiny and straight. I'll take another piece down to see, so to show you guys. I'm taking about half an inch, maybe even a quarter sections, mostly because I don't have high density when my hair is straight, so I can take a little bit of a thicker section and still get it to where it needs to be. But I take a few passes at the root and then I slide down, do the chase method. And I'm going to be quiet on this part because I'm by my ear and I don't have a third hand to hold. I don't want to get burned. And I'm also looking in this mirror. I have a mirror in front of me, so I can make sure I get the hairs that I need. There you go. Nice and straight, shiny. No frizz, no nothing. I'm going to continue on this side and I'll show you this side completely done and then this side still blown out so you can see the difference. Alright, so as you can see, this is the straight side. No frizz, shine, luscious, it's movable. And this is my blown out side. Still has to shine and ready for the straightening process on that side. And let me tell you something, I got this done, the smoothing treatment done back in October of 25, okay? If you don't believe me, ask our master stylist, Regina. She the truth. She did it for me, and I haven't had to go back to her to like maintenance, unless I just wanted her to wash my hair type of thing. But I didn't have to go back to her to reapply anything. It's low maintenance. This can last until my next wash, and I don't have to run a flat iron through it. I don't have to really do anything other than put my bonnet on at night. I do wrap it, and when I shower, I put my bonnet on, or maybe even a mesh cap, then my bonnet, and then on top of that a shower cap, just to make sure no water hits it. If water hits it, it will revert to my natural texture, but I don't want to keep flat ironing my hair every day because that's the point of this. I don't have to do that. So I just make sure no water hits it, and then in the morning when I take it down, it literally looks like this. I'll show you. Let me finish this side and then I'll come back. I'll show you the final results and then I'll come back tomorrow to show you what I look like in the morning before I head off to work. Okay, so here's my hair, fully flat ironed, straight, like I like it. And all I need to do is wrap this before I go to bed, and then I'll be back in the morning.